Hi everybody, I'm Chris, the guy behind the camera. As always is Jake the Snake, and this is Fast Lane Classic Cars, and this is a 2002 Corvette in Quicksilver. Beautiful Quicksilver exterior paint. It's got the black leather interior. It is a convertible. It does have the heads-up display, which is awesome. It has a trunk, which is pretty great.
Yeah, and the key opens it. You got a button on the key.
The key opens it. It's a C5. It's a very desirable car. We love it. Look at that trunk. You got space. My God, you need space.
You got space. Right now the top's down, so you can see the top right there, kind of. You got some floor mats in here and some storage compartments.
Nice.
Decent sized trunk for a convertible.
Absolutely. Got a great Bose stereo. At least that's what it says on the old speaker holder.
Got a Pioneer head unit.
Gotta love that.
Yeah, it's got a Bose sound system like you have in these Corvettes, but it's got a newer Pioneer head unit, and it does work because I was using it earlier. Even the remote for it still works, which is cool. Got all the buttons for your heads-up display over there. Power windows, power locks, power
Drilled
seats.
and slotted rotors. Neato.
Yes, very nice. Got some brake caliper covers on here. I like
nice?
the 5-spoke chrome wheels. You got memory seats.
Silver and black's timeless, Jake.
It is. This is never going to go out of style. The top is black. It's that cloth manual top. Really easy to do. We can show it later.
I like the manual the best.
But we're going to leave it down because it's actually nice out, even though it's January in Missouri.
January 7th.
It's like 60 degrees, so we're going to leave it down and go for a drive.
Ridiculous. It's ridiculous weather, but we'll take it. We'll get cold soon enough. Shall we, Jake?
Let's go. Oh, there's the pop-ups. They don't do the whole 180-degree turn like the C4 that came before it. They just go up. And there they go back down. Currently listed for $19,995. How many miles? 72,000?
72,932.
You can tell it was very well maintained though.
Yeah, it's not beat up.
It's very nice in here. Well, let me put on my real seatbelt for real people.
Oh, and I like being a real person. And I also like power seats.
They're memory. I have memory #1 set to where I like to sit. Got Corvette here on the dash with the oh you know what handle in case Stabile decides to drive crazy.
Might happen.
She normally doesn't, but it might happen.
You never know.
And over here in the middle, like I said, you got your Pioneer head unit. That does work.
The other
Like I said.
And Kenai would eat avocado.
See if I can find a station that's actually a station. Here we go.
Ah, little Boston.
KC95.
Real Rock Radio.
Real Rock Radio. Horn works, very nice. You got your AC controls down here, the factory ones. And this remote does work.
Does it?
Watch. I'll turn Boston off now. I don't want to get copyright struck, even though we probably already have.
Come on,
just from
Boston.
playing that much.
It's Boston.
But it's Boston.
Who doesn't love Boston?
This one is an automatic 4L80, I believe.
Yes, I believe you're
4L80.
correct.
It might be the 4L60E, I can't remember. Automatic. Shifters down here. You got your big traction control button.
Oh, the one.
Because Chevy knows how to party right there in the middle. Gotta wait for this truck. But you got your different buttons over here. You can see your fuel mileage, different gauges, trip meter, options, English metric, reset, everything like that. And then over on the left, those are the buttons that control your heads-up display.
Yeah.
So you can make it brighter, dimmer, move it up and down, turn it off completely, change what page you're looking at so you can see different stuff up there.
I like the different stuff.
Really cool. Seats are very comfortable.
This car is comfortable.
It is very comfortable. We're going up the hill.
Oh, it's easy. Come on. This is a great motor. 350 horsepower.
Yeah, the LS1 5.7 liter. In the Z06, you could get the LS6, also a 5.7 liter.
Oh boy.
Didn't change the displacement, just the heads were a little bit different intake. I think the cam was ground a bit differently. But the LS1, plenty of horsepower still.
Oh, come
350.
on. It's perfect. It's
and I think more torque than that.
Tons of torque.
Around 350 torque, maybe more. I think they're underrated. They feel peppy.
And well, they're easy to get into. They're very simple to do. Oh, look at that. Yeah, we can put the windows up. Let's do that. Yeah.
Automatic electric windows that look tinted. Got some road work going on up here. We'll go slow past the guys working. But yeah, the LS1, the factory 5.7, this van is not looking very nice. Pulled out right in front of us. Brakes work great though.
The brakes are fantastic on these convertibles.
Drilled and slotted rotors.
Yeah.
And they're quite large, which is good when Honda Odysseys pull out in front of you.
Yes. She was probably thinking about something else.
But this still has the factory exhaust and everything on it, so it's pretty quiet. From the back, it makes some noise. It's got the nice oval tip exhaust, quad tip exhaust.
Quad tip.
But I always thought that they were far too quiet from factory. It's a Corvette, so I'd put a catback system on it if I bought it. But
That's Jake.
That's just me.
Jake's a catback
I'm young and
system kind
stupid.
of guy. He's very practical, ladies and gentlemen. He's got a Camry for the love of Pete.
I do have a Toyota Camry.
Mr. Practical, we like to call him.
Listen, after all the cars I've driven, I decided to buy the most reliable car for me.
And it's worked out pretty well.
It's worked out great. But this thing, one of the most reliable cars that Chevy's ever made. This platform with that LS, if maintained normally, just do oil changes, that's basically it. This transmission, especially the transaxle rear end.
Oh yeah.
These things are beefy. They go for a very, very long time. There's plenty of C5 Corvettes well over 100,000 miles, some over 200,000. Just drive the thing.
Drive it, take care of it.
This platform is tried and true. That's why this small block, the basic underpinnings of this LS have been around for like 3 decades almost, 2 decades, 2.5. They still kind of use this platform. So
this is a great car.
There's a reason for it.
And it's comfortable and it's fun to drive. It's easy to drive.
And this one is what, 2002?
2.
So the first year of the Corvette, the C5, sorry, 97, as any new generation, they had some issues, electrical stuff. But by 2002, this thing was basically worked out perfectly.
Dialed in, baby.
So, and I actually kind of like that it has 72,000 miles. It was enjoyed.
It was.
And it was,
but they didn't tear it up.
It kept moving. It kept moving. It's not torn up. It's very nice in here. Here's the bean test. We'll get past the bump in the road.
Yeah, you'll feel it in this car.
Because it's a Corvette. The interior looks pristine. You could tell they kept it very nice.
Gotta let that guy get ahead of me.
All right, bean test. Oh gosh. There it is. Oh man.
Woo! Fast enough.
Yeah, we caught up that truck pretty quick.
Yes, we did.
I could tell you weren't giving it that many beans at first, and then it kicked down. You give it some more.
I love the kick down.
And our new parking lot is finally open for business.
They did it for us, is the way I'm going to say it.
Yeah, they paved this just for us. So we can finally pull in here and do flybys on this side of the road.
And on
we'll go
nice
way down so
stretch.
We're away from these people.
Very nice stretch.
I know. We're still going to do them on the actual road.
Oh, we are?
Yeah.
Oh.
I don't want to be going fast in a parking lot. But at least we have this nice big
clear. Oh, look at all that. I love what they've done here.
Yeah, they did all brand new turf soccer fields. That has nothing to do with this Corvette though, so.
No, I know, but it's good kid sports.
We'll cut to the flybys.
We'll do flybys. Here he goes, ladies and gentlemen. Uh-oh. That sounds great. That sounds wonderful. Good one, Jakey. Very good. God, it sounds good. Ooh. God.
Hello.
Hey, you know what? It sounded really good.
Yeah, for stock exhaust, when you open it up, it doesn't sound bad.
Yeah, both passes are really good.
I mean, it's deep and rumbly because it's a nice 5.7 liter V8.
It's rumbly.
But, I mean, you wouldn't have guessed that this had 72,000 miles on it.
No.
Almost 73 by looking at it.
No way.
I mean, the dash is in perfect condition. The seats aren't cracked anywhere. Everything works. It's got a nice heads-up display.
It was very well maintained.
It was.
I love a good
very, very good. And I like the updated head unit. That's nice. No more CD player.
No.
Well, actually, it still has a CD player.
Oh, stop.
I'm mistaken.
And look, you can plug in your USB, and I bet you can play your phone.
So you can bring in your burned CDs and play all your mixtapes through the Pioneer head unit.
I love them.
You ready to go back?
Let us go back.